Strengthening Faith 65. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the coronavirus, and the precautions the public should take in order to keep themselves safe from it. It is amazing how these steps which non-Islamic nations are trying to implement now were advised by the Holy Quran and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, over 1,400 years ago. For example, people are being advised to wash their hands regularly throughout the day, whereas Islam advises a Muslim to wash their hands, arms, faces and feet 5 times a day, which is required to offer the obligatory prayer. In fact, a narration found in Imam Malik's Muwatta, Book 2, narration number 37, advises that a true believer maintains the state of ablution throughout the day. Meaning, they not only wash these parts of the body for the 5 obligatory prayers, but do so every time they use the toilet in order to remain in ablution throughout the day. In addition, Muslims have been advised to wash their hands before and after meals. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunnah and Nasai, number 258. They have been advised to wash their hands before going to bed and after waking up from sleep. This has been advised in narrations found in Sunan Ibn Majah, numbers 3297 and 394. Put simply, people have been advised to maintain good hygiene, and Islam has declared cleanliness to be half of faith in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 223. In addition, people have been advised to avoid going out in public unnecessarily, which has been advised by Islam so long ago, as it often leads to vain and sinful things. In fact, this is an element of salvation, according to a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 2406. People have been warned not to unnecessarily socialize with others. Islam has encompassed this teaching by declaring one should either speak good or remain silent, in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3971, which indicates limiting socializing with others. Finally, it has been stressed that people should support each other, such as food supplies, through this difficulty, but Islam has been teaching the importance of this for over a millennium. For example, a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawud, number 4893, advises that Allah, the Exalted, will aid the one who supports others. To conclude, Muslims should implement these teachings in order to show the true face of Islam to the world. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.